YouTube, welcome back to another cleaning video. So today you got me, your boy Fresh D. What we're going to be cleaning today is a pair of Air Jordan 1 Phantoms. These came out at the end of March, I believe. This pair is pretty trash. I have no idea what that is. Anyways, what we're going to do is clean these pairs up. Clean these pairs. Then shout out to all the pairs. Anyways, today we're going to clean this pair using our 4-ounce 3-brush kit, which can be found on our website, it's RESHOEVN8R.com. The link will be down in the description. As always, I'm sure it'll pop up in the corner. So let's go ahead and get into this cleaning today. First step you want to do when cleaning any shoe is remove your laces. So let's go ahead and do that. So the reason you want to remove the laces is so you can get into all the crevices, especially this tongue since it's really filthy. So removing the laces is always a good idea, especially if your laces themselves are filthy. So now that we got the laces removed, if you're cleaning these at home, you may not have a shoe tree, but we strongly recommend for any cleaning to use a shoe tree. So since we got one right here, you just want to adjust your shoe tree to size. To do that, you want to squeeze the prongs together. It'll release the back piece. These are a size 10, so this should be about the 4th hole. Again, this is going to be trial and error. When inserting your shoe tree, you want to make sure you fold this piece up, slide the shoe tree in, and then push this piece down, and then check the tension. This has pretty good tension. It should be good to go. So the next step you're going to want to do is pour your solution into a small bowl. If you're fortunate enough to have our collapsible bowl, it's perfect. If not, if you're at home, you can use a small container or a small Tupperware. So you want to take your solution, pour about 1 or 2 small squirts into your bowl. For this shoe, because it is like a soft premium leather, the first thing we want to do is start with our soft bristle brush. And I believe I was upside down. So we're going to start first thing with our soft bristle brush. Because this is a soft premium leather, it's going to be the best option. It also creates the most suds when you're scrubbing. So you want to take your brush, dip it into the solution, shake some of the excess water off, and begin scrubbing.
What's going on? What's up, guys? This shoe's so gross. It's making me feel sick. I feel like I'm getting the flu. Make sure to check out this video this Monday on how I bring this flu game back to life. See you guys then.
All right, guys, so I just went ahead and wiped down one side of the shoe just to show you guys a little comparison. So you want to take your towel. Again, I try to clean a straight line down the front to get you guys a pretty good idea how well the solution works. Again, we only used one brush so far. If you take a look on the toe box, the clean side versus the dirty side. Again, the dirty side of the shoe, the clean side of the shoe, and this is just using our soft bristle brush. We haven't even got into using any one of the other brushes. Especially with this midsole being rubber, the stiff bristle brush would be perfect for that. So again, just a little comparison, almost dropped it there. A little comparison for you guys, show you how well the solution works. Another thing about our shoe tree is while you're cleaning, it's perfect for you to grip and move the shoe around. As you can see I'm doing here, I just have my hand on the inside of the shoe tree and I'm turning it as I'm scrubbing. As you can see, cleaning shoes is a messy process. One thing I probably should have did, and I recommend you do when you're cleaning, is put a towel down, especially on this white table. It probably would have been a good idea. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now just to avoid some of that melt, creating more of a mess. As you can see, went ahead and cleaned the tongue, most of the upper of the shoe. The midsole is still a little dirty, So what we're gonna do is move on to our medium bristle brush, which is perfect for cleaning midsoles. This guy is rubber, so I may wanna hit it with a stiff brush after that, but for now, we're just gonna move on to our medium and see how clean we can get this midsole. All right guys, I finished up with the medium bristle brush. Because the threading in here is a little dingy, I am gonna go ahead and hit it up with the stiff bristle, and then I'm also gonna attack the bottom with the stiff bristle. Because this is a white outsole, it'll look really nice. We go ahead and do that extra, clean the bottom up, get it all looking as clean as possible for you guys. So let's go ahead and move on to our stiff bristle brush. All right guys, I went ahead and finished cleaning the outsole. Normally if I'm cleaning something, I'm not really gonna clean the outsole, but if you wanna achieve maximum resale value, definitely recommend cleaning that outsole. This is a good shoe to do it on also because this outsole was white, so you can really see the difference. Just to give you an example of the dirty one. Again, another comparison of how well the solution works. So we're pretty much wrapped up with this. The other thing we're gonna have to do is clean these filthy laces. So to clean your laces, you just want to take your bowl of solution and water mixture, dip the laces inside. Once you get them nice and wet, be careful with that excess water. Then you just rub the laces together in between your hands, creating some friction. That'll usually do the trick. I usually do it 2 or 3 times. I'll clean it, re-dip it, and then scrub them again. And then I may even wring them through the towel to see where they're at. Sometimes it takes more sessions than others, so just kind of eyeball it when cleaning your laces. All right guys, so that's gonna wrap it up with the cleaning on these Air Jordan 1 Phantoms. Make sure you guys check out those before and afters. It's gonna really show you the power of our cleaning solution. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit the notification bell if you guys wanna be notified when we're releasing new videos. Also, make sure you guys enter our giveaway. We are doing a monthly giveaway. The link's gonna be down in the description, also up in the corner, so make sure you guys enter that to win some free shoes. Until next time guys, it's Fresh D signing out.